Audio Jungle.
Hello guys and welcome back to Emanschi games. Today I will do my Python homework and I hope you guys can all hear me. I hope my microphone works. And yeah, this time I also stream on Twitch and on TikTok and also on YouTube. And yeah, I will stream so long until I'm finished with this task. The task is in German, but I will translate it for you. So we have to make a program or a function which uses the Pascal's triangle, if you know it. Yeah, it's math, I hate math, but I have to do it for school, and yeah. So, and we have to output this triangle like that. And I have already a function which makes this triangle correctly, but now I have to output the triangle correctly and it doesn't output correctly right now. So I can show you that the triangle works. So when I print out from a triangle function, and there we have to give the potence, like the border to this function. It should output this triangle as a list. So we do it till 5. Oh, sorry, I've still my camera on, so now you should see it. So 5, and yeah, so this triangle gets generated correctly. Yeah. Okay. And now we have to output it like it is in that introduction, if it is called like this in English. And yeah, you have to get this as output. So the first line is easy to make. We just have to, okay, let's print it here at the beginning. We have to print, what do we have to print? A plus b n till n is 5. I will do it in English for you guys. So yeah, sorry. So brackets a plus b, then we have to make this, and then till the value, so till n is, and then wrong bracket, our value what our input gets, our potence. So then we should have the first line correctly. 5. Yeah. Okay. 10 comes the difficult part. We have to do this. And we will have to think out a solution for that. And sorry that it is in German, but my school is in German, so yeah. Okay. But these two are easy because they're always the same, so we can just print them out. Or delete the brackets. So print that one. 1 and a plus b. So we do 1, then we print a plus b. So Thank you for following me. Wait, who was it? Didn't see him. Hopefully Twitch does. Yeah. I will read your name when Twitch displays it. But it's a little bit buggy sometimes. Yeah. I hack, Grot, Nieman, Patrick. Yeah, but our first lines should be correct. Yeah, they are always the same. Okay. Then the difficult parts comes in. We have to do this. Yeah, and for that I will open the Wikipedia page because I'm not good. I'm not. Okay. Okay. So. Yeah, Wikipedia, Pascal's triangle. Will show it to you when I've opened it. There is the Wikipedia page. Yeah. I don't understand this math, but there was a simple part. The question is where it is this. Yeah. We can do this already, but we have to output it like they want it. Hope they explain. Okay, no. They don't explain our output. Okay. But basically, there is the potence one lower than our border, no, than our current potencies, and then it goes A goes 1, but 1 shouldn't be displayed, and B is 2, it should be displayed, and then B is 1, but the potence shouldn't be displayed. Now is the question how to do it, because what I did doesn't work. Hello, Eric. Oh, the TikTok chat also works finally. So, but yeah, I have done this, and there are negative numbers or something, and I do 5. We have minus 12, and yeah. So don't know if this is a good idea, but it doesn't matter. But just to make sure it works, I'll save it in a whaler. So, like, oh, thank you for your gifts, Eric. 1 rose, 1 team heart, I think, and 1, don't know how it's called in English, pussy. Yeah, thank you for your gifts, top supporter. I think you're the top supporter, wait. Yeah, only one guy donated. So, yeah, save it in a whaler. We'll do that at the beginning, like list, shortcut for list, and hello wave look highlights, and thank you for your 2 roses. Yeah, we wanted to save it in a whaler. We have to give the potence to the function. Yeah, then we output that. So now we can iterate through our list. Wait, let me look. Wally. Real quick, I haven't opened these snaps for ages. Wait, there are no snaps. Or do you mean the other class group? Wait. I haven't seen. Wait. No, there's a snap. Yeah, you're watching my live stream. Thanks. Yeah. Okay. So, if you have an idea how to solve it, please tell me, Wally. Okay. So, I think Mars will test you on Monday. No, I go home when he does it, or I use ChatGPT. So, yeah, we have that, and it outputs. We don't need to output the first two. Wait. I have to look something. Oh, also one viewer on Twitch. Okay, but back to the code. So, oh, the live chat is really big. I see it on OBS right now. Okay, but let's continue. Basically, we can. Yeah, I've outputted the first two, so we can make a Walo, not that one, like just repeat count or something, and that is 0. I think that's the worst solution. What I'm doing right now, but yeah, good. And don't forget to like my live. So, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, if repeat count is bigger than 2, then no, the first one is 0, the second one is 2, first one, second one, and then bigger than 1, then we should do everything. Right now, pass it. Then I have to think out how to continue. But when I print the debug it, this should work. First one, and then nothing. Oh, yeah, I'm dumb. Forgot to make the value higher on every repeat. So, debug it. 5. We skip the first 2 and 3. Yeah, that works. But what do we have to do now? Thank you for your roses again. 200 roses. That was the biggest gift someone has ever sent to me. Thank you that you waste your money in my live stream. So, yeah. But how to continue now? Thank you for your, I don't know how this gift is called. Favorite creator, 99 coins, thank you. Thank you. That's a very big support. Okay. Yeah. But now, let me think. The potence, when we are at the third repeat of this for loop. Then -1 is the first potence. 0 shouldn't be displayed. Yeah, maybe we can do like building the string. We have here that S string, and then just add every part of our output, like first this, then this, and then we can look if it's 1 or if the potence is 1 or 1, then we shouldn't display it and add only that, and this could work. Thank you for sharing my life, Eric. So yeah, let's do that, but how? Let's at first tell our code that potence 1 and 0. Okay, 0 isn't possible because we skipped the first two. Yeah, that 1 and 0 shouldn't be displayed. So, like, think we potence left and potence right. Maybe, yeah, should work. Potence left is for A and potence right for B. So, just call it potence A and potence B is 0. No. Oh no, we set it then in the for loop. Okay, and then potence 2, 0, yeah. But if you tell now that the potence is 0, it wouldn't output anything, so we'll set it to 1 at the beginning and then delete that. And then if potence A is 0, if potence B is 0, because okay, no, they can be 0 at the same time, so we need OR. So if potence A is, just to make sure it works, make it's more little than potence A or more little than 0 or like minus numbers or 0, just to make sure it works properly. And then potence B also, wait, yeah, potence B also more little than potence B. We just add our multiplier, but what? Oh, yeah, understand it. We get that from our list. Just to that I can think better, we will do an example. Like the first one is that. The second one should be 1 and 1. If Wikipedia tells us the truth, should be. Oh, I hate I can't see that. Scroll down. Yeah, no, 1, 2 is the second one. No, yeah, 1 and, but is that true? No, that's the wrong one, I think. The Pascal's triangle what I have seen is 1, 1, 2, there is 3, yeah. And the second one is 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 1. And the third one is 1, 2, and 1 again. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So, get back. Yeah. I messed up on the Twitch browser right now. Yeah, I fix it. So 1, 2, 1. Now I can think better, and then if the potence is lower, than 1, we just add to our S this F string with, do we really need an F string? What are you doing right now? I do my homework and I have to program this. You're German, so you will understand what is there. I don't need to translate it. Yeah, Scary Pants, what is a project? I'm trying to program this Pascal triangle. I hope I say it right in English. Like I have to program this, but not output it like that, because that already works, because my function works, which calculates this triangle. This is the function for the triangle. I have already made that in school, but now I have to output it like this. The first 3 work because they're always the same, they're here. And yeah, now I have to do that. If you have a solution, then tell me please. Yeah. Okay. Now you know what I'm doing. Yeah. And now I try to add every part to our string, and at the end of every repeat outputs the line, like one of these lines. Yeah. Okay. So, do we need a F string? I think so. Then we just need our multiplier, which is that. How to get that? Yeah, that is our repeat count. First one is 0, but it skips it with that if. Yeah, then we can just use it. Our repeat count. Yeah, and then our repeat count and A. That if is when, oh, yeah, and AB. This should be right, because it's 0 and 0 shouldn't be displayed here. Yeah. Yeah, then we can test it, but we need the left one and the right one too. Oh, I didn't print anything. Print S at the end of, no, that's just to be debug it. It doesn't matter where I place it, so S. Okay, it doesn't work at all. Oh no, it did work. Didn't see it though. It always prints out an empty if it's put A. Oh. Yeah, I'm dumb. Can I sub for you, Scary Pants? I don't think through YouTube, because I have the low subscribers right now, and I think you need at least 1,000 subscribers, but you can sub on that Streamlabs link in my bio on YouTube. Then you can pay monthly things, and there also should be an alert if it works. I hope that it works. Okay. Wait, did I change anything yet? No. Just debug, set temp to 0. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Huh? Okay. Wait. 3a. Okay. That already works. But I don't think we can do that if at the beginning, because we need another for loop which goes through that list what is in the list. A for loop which goes through I think. So yeah. So after the diff, like else, we need to go for, how do we call it, under list, can't write anymore, for under list in for under list in I, because that's I, we want to go through that and turn, so in, forgot that, in I. Now okay, we iterate through that list. Then we set potence A to our current row. It's always the row 1, 2, 3, but -1. Yeah. So yeah, set it to repeat count here, and then repeat count -1, and potence B also to repeat count -1. Yeah, I just copied that. Don't know the shortcuts in Visual Studio Code for duplicating the line or something. Yeah. So then it should be set right. And just to debug. No, I don't want to print anything. Let's just use our debugger here. Debug Python file. And where is it? Oh, I've put it here to Copilot. Yeah. Has it already started? Debugger, hello? Restart. Why is the debugger stuck now? Wait. So, debug. Now it works. Should pause here. Make it to. Why did the breakpoint not work? Set it here. Debugger is bugging right now. 5. Okay, now. So the list is generated correctly from our function here, and then put A here. Okay, it doesn't matter to which is set. Wait. It will go to that if it's 0. Okay, wait. We have to change then to 1, that it doesn't go to the if in the first repeat. Don't know if you say repeat in English to it, but I will say it. I hope you know what I mean. Yeah. 10, 5. Can you see it? Yes. 5. Okay, 1, 1. Potence with 5, yes. repeat count 0. Then it goes here. Then it should go skip that and just print, oh no, that's the debug message from a few minutes ago. Yeah. Then we have repeat count, where is it? 1. Skips also the second repeat, and then it should go into this if. Then it should skip that because potence A and potence B is 1. And then skip it, go in the underlist for loop. So now we have to look pot A and potence B. Repeat count -1 is 1 because it's the second, third repeat. Shouldn't it be? Wait. Am I dump? Wait. In the first row, we skipped it. Second, skipped it because we printed out here. 10 and this one. Now we go through this one. We are in the second. Wait. Underlist is 2. Now we are here. And then potence A should be set. Wait, potence A. The repeat count is first one skipped, second one skipped. Now in the think that it's calculated correctly, but we have to put this before that block of code, because when we are here it should be 2 and not 1. When I go through, it's always 1, yeah. And we have to set it also not in the for loop. We have to set it here because we have to make -1 here, -1, then it's 0, and then here, and then we need that. Okay, let's just look what happens. So we have, yeah, why did I delete the pass? Yeah, the debug message, we don't need it anymore. Then a repeat count. I think I'm really dumb. Let's just try until it works. Repeat count here, but then it's 1 at the now it should be right. Debugger. Let's do 5 again. So now pot A, pot B, potence, repeat count is 0. We go in our for loop for the first time, which is for that list. Bam. We're in the first repeat. We're in the first repeat, and then it skips it. Bam. Now we're in the second one, which is also always the same. And I'm done because we have to change it to 2. Because, yeah. And 10. At least the repeat count should work. Yes, so first one, repeat count is 1. Then we skip this if, go to the second repeat, set it to 2, make +1 here, return. We should go into, yeah, 2 should also be skipped. That's this. And 10, we go into that if, yeah. 10, we skip that. Then let's look if the potence A and potence B is set correctly. Wait, did someone donate right now on TikTok? No, just looked like it. Yeah, okay. 10. Potence A should be 2. Potence B. Yes, okay, at least that works. And then we skip the for loop always. Yeah, okay. Now when we have that, I think we have to replace the diff later, but let's just let it there for now. And then we are at 2. Then we can just add this to our string A for our potence. And that, we will repeat that until this list is over. And please guys, if you have any solutions, write it in the chat. Because I'm just a beginner programmer, at least in Python. In C# I'm a little bit better. Yeah. But I program games there and not math, because I hate math. Yeah. Okay. But yeah, add the string, add it to the string. A. Add just A to the string. Oh. Wait. We have the, no, let's do enumerate, but we also could have done enumerate here, because we get, oh no, then it would be 0, but we can, I think we can use enumerate here, just pass, that we have no error. Then at enumerate you first have the index and then the element. So under list, that isn't under, yeah, you should call it under element now. And then we have the under index, and then have to do enumerate I. Enumerate object. Wait. Yeah, I hope this works now. Yeah, index. Then we have to do if index is 0. We just add A and the potence, and yeah, that's the best solution with which we can do here, I think so. If you're a professional programmer watching here, he would probably laugh. But yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah, first one, then just add that string like A and the potence for A. So plus f string. Do we need a string? Yeah. Let's just do it. Why not? Then a. Wait. Yeah, I'm done. A. Then no. We have to do. Don't know how this is called. It's this character for the potence, and then our potence a is added. Then we should have that, and then we need space and a plus. And the next one should also be space and plus, and at b we don't need a plus. Wait. Space and plus. 10. Yeah, that's the first. I is 0. Okay. No. Index. Our under index is 0. That means the first one, which is 1. Multiplied by 1. Oh, wait. This is our multiplier, which is in front of our letters A and B. The left one is always 1, the right one is always 1. Yeah, we don't need the value for our repeat count. Yeah. So that plus, and then it will always add a, but I can't imagine how it looks like, so just print as out now with the debugger that we see what is going on. Just drink really quick. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, debug. Why do no. 5,000 makes sense because we only have. We want to test the third line. Yeah. Then let's input 3. Test it. Yeah, everything's right. Then our repeat count gets 1 higher. First one, skip that. Second one, skip that. Third one, go in here, skip that, go in here. 10. Oh, you don't see it because my webcam. Wait. Oh, that was the wrong thing. I just have to replace my webcam in OBS. Under here. This should be better. Then you can see the values. Yeah. So how did you learn coding? What Scaripens wrote. So how did you learn coding? Because it seems hard and I want to make a chat app. I already started and I'm stuck. Yeah, I learned coding through a online class at first, like game development of the YouTuber. That was a class of the YouTuber Mr. Lux, but he's German, but I think there are also some English guys which make game dev classes, but you don't want to make a game. So yeah, I learned game development 2 years ago, but I'm also not a professional there. You may see it in my YouTube videos. But yeah, I learned Python in school. I'm going to a school where you learn a lot about computer science, and I'm in the first year of that school, so we learn Python. But yeah, I'm not professional. when you want to learn coding for that app, yeah, just search up on YouTube or yeah. But I'm interested in what programming language do you use? Scary Pants. That would interest me. But yeah, I'm not a professional in Python and also not in C Sharp. I'm a little bit better in C Sharp, but yeah, also not professional. Yeah, but let's continue now. Already streaming 48 minutes. Okay. Yeah. I hope that I get that under 2 hours. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So. Okay, bro, cool. Thanks. So. Yeah, what did I wanted to do? Yeah, look if it's, yeah, look at, debug it, yeah, forgot it. So, yeah, so that is correct, because we're in the third one, our potence should be 2, and B also 2. Then we go in here, and our under index, new index should, the element is 1, this, and the index should be 0, yeah. So it should go in that if statement. And then should add it to our string. Okay, at least that works. Okay, the first one works. And now we have to do the others, because now it will add the wrong, oh no, it won't add anything now, yeah. What is our next step? Think, yeah. Guys, I have to go to the toilet, but I will be back in 2 minutes and continuing making this program. Yeah. I hope I come to a solution when sitting on the toilet. But see you in 2 or 3 minutes. Alright guys, I am back. Yeah, my headset did turn off, didn't realize it. Yeah, so what the fart in the toilet, we need an else statement. We have 5 years now, yeah, let's go. But else statement, if it's not 0, it should be something with A and B and yeah, but we can't add. We need to add that and A, and the potence just do another if statement, because when the potence is like here is 1, we should not display it. Yeah, so we need to put that if into the here then, but yeah, let's first make the statement to statement. No, we don't need a statement now. Statement to add A, to add the multiplier. So yeah, good. Yeah, sorry, I looked in the chat. Yeah, our multiplier added. Does it make sense to add it as an F string? Yes, it makes. But we could make the space here. No, let's just make an F string, the space here, then our multiplier. Yeah, what is our multiplier? That's a good question. Our repeat count. Then 3. Oh, no. That was wrong. We should add our under element, which is first then 1, 2, 1. Yeah, that is our multiplier. And then we need. No, we don't need a statement for 1, because I will do if that another statement if that is the length of that, then it is 1, and then we have, yeah, but we'll do that later. Yeah, okay, so our under element, yeah, okay, this is added correctly. Then we need no space, and then we need to add A. Yeah. After that, then we just make a command that I can imagine it better. S would be like A with potence 2, for example. Then it would be like that, and it should be not 1, because we skip 1. Wave look highlights trend again. Yes, I know you are my top supporter right now. Thank you for your. Wait, what did you send? You sent 1 rose. I hope I say it right in English. My TikTok studio is in German. Yeah. 8 roses. Yeah. Thank you for that. So. Yeah, it is 2. Yeah, I know that you're Samuel, but I didn't want to leak your name in this live. Yeah. Because I don't know if you wanted 8 roses again. Thank you. Oh, no, wait. Was this now? No. Wait. TikTok live studio is so buggy sometimes. Are you donating right now, or was that later? Because the donations bug, like sometimes a donation from 10 minutes ago goes in the front. Yeah. Thank you for your 3 roses. Yeah. So this was no bug. Thank you for 3 roses, and you sent 8 roses and then 6 roses again. Thank you. My top supporter. Wait, what did TikTok opened here now? Oh, don't want to see the gift gallery now. I want to program TikTok. Yeah. Anyways. Yeah, then A is added and not more. And 10. Wait. Guys, let's just debug it. Because if that's not right, the comment doesn't make sense. But not debug it here, debug it here. Run and debug. So load. How far should we try it? 2, no 3. First to correctly 10. We go in here. These values get generated. It is 0. We add that A with our potence. And S is a made to go. Wave look highlights wrote are made to go. But good luck of your homework and see you on Monday. Yeah, see you. And thanks for your gifts. That's really big support. Thank you. Yeah. That's S is correctly. Yeah. Then continue. Then it should go in this else statement. Bam. Then it should add plus 2a. Is that? Yeah, that is correct. And now we need a if statement. If it. Wait. No. Now we need that statement from before, which looks if. Yeah, we don't need that statement here, but we need it in here. So wait, we can delete that. And so, okay, and then we copy that statement into here. But wait. 0. No, not if our potence. Yeah. No. Not only for our potences. We will do the potences later, but for now, wait, we don't need the potences at all because they're. Oh, yes. No. Oh, we need it because here, yeah, 1 and 1 shouldn't be displayed. Yeah, forgot that. But right now we have to add the multiplier of b. No. We have to add the potence of b. Yeah. And every time we go 1 farad to the right, our potence A gets lower. There it is 2, then there it is 1 and 1 shouldn't be displayed. And B goes in the opposite direction. It starts at 2 and then is 1 here, and you can see it here, 3, 2, 1, 1 isn't displayed, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. So we have to subtract, if you call it like this in English. We have to subtract our A And what does TikTok again here? Live Studio. Wait. TikTok thinks I'm AFK, but I'm not AFK. So. Wait, guys, let me look really quick if everything works, because TikTok sent me that message. Yeah, works. You can see it here. Wait, camera. But that is my other account. Yeah. Or am I logged in? No, it's not. It's not the Emanschi Games account. Yeah. Anyways, let's continue programming. Oh, and we have 2 viewers on YouTube right now. That's nice. I haven't looked on YouTube for a while. Yeah, but let's just continue. So, yeah. Now I've talked too much. I forgot what I wanted to do. Yeah, if the potence is no 1, because 1 should also should not be displayed here. And then we have to add. No, that's wrong. We have to add. We have already that. And if it's 1, we don't need to add anything. No, let's do this exactly in the other direction, because then we can use the diff. If it's not 1, because we shouldn't add anything here. If it's not 1, if potence A is bigger and not, is bigger than 1, we should add the multiplier of B, but if the multiplier of B is 1, we just only add. Wait, someone wrote in the YouTube chat. Enes Nakiri, don't you think using Linux or Windows is good? Yeah, I know. I have in my shorts, I have installed a few different Linux distributions, but maybe I will start to use Linux in a few years, but not right now, because I'm the first year of my school and we haven't learned so much. I have tried Ubuntu, and maybe when I have time in the summer holidays, I will try Arch Linux and customize and install it. Yeah. And also for streaming, I think TikTok Live Studio doesn't work for Linux, because I've seen a streamer which said that. Yeah. But I have a few virtual machines with Linux. Mr. Savage. Hello, Mr. Savage. And hello, Glamsky. 124. Yeah, but let's continue. Forgot again what I wanted to do. Yeah, add the potence of. No, not the potence. Not the potence, the value of B. Not the value, the multiplier of B. Now it's correct. Hello, Matty. And yeah, Mr. Savage, you're the cousin of one of my top supporters. Maybe you can support me too with your gift. Yeah. But anyways, let's continue. We have to add the multiplier of B. Hello, Glamsky. So, yeah. Thank you for your 10 basketballs, Matty. Yes, let's go. Thank you for your tofu, and thank you for your blue alien. Thank you for your 2 slays. Thank you. So now concentrate on the code again. How are you doing, Emanschi? Asks Klemski. Yeah, I'm doing good, but I have to think out very difficult. I don't know if it's difficult for professionals, but for me it's difficult. Yeah, I have to think out how to program this. Yeah, so my mind is stuck right now. If it's bigger than 1, yeah, then we add to our string. It's very easy, you say. Yeah, then wait, where is that thing from before? Then much fun programming this pyramid, but not output it like that. Output it like that. Much fun with it. If you say it's easy. But yeah, anyways, add to an f string again and add. What do we have to add? Yeah, the multiplier. The multiplier is our under element again. Wait. Has be the same? No. Oh, wait. No, I'm done. We have to add our element. But if it's here and then goes, yo, Klemski. Oh no. If you write anything like that again, you will be banned. Not banned, but you get a timeout. So delete your message. Or I want to. Matty, you too. We'll both get the timeout if you. Yeah, but continue programming. So. I cannot delete it. Yeah, you're good. But please don't write it again. So, because I've seen I also can't delete it. I can just ban you, but I won't do it for now. You're a Sigma? Thank you. So, why does the TikTok chat not work? Yeah, now it works again. Yeah. So, our under element. Continue under element. Turn and under element b. Then we have that, but when the under element is 1, no. Oh guys, I'm so dumb. Don't need to add our under element at all here. Do you like? Yeah, I have choose here. Holy. Do you see it? Wait. Wrong direction. Now you see it. Yes, I can speak German, but I won't do it in my live, in this live stream, because most of my viewers and followers are English. Would you say whole is nice? Yes, definitely. Wait, what did I do? I can show you. I have that coconut. Wait, so a few of that coconuts, and yeah, why? Because it tastes good. That's my favorite. Don't know how it's called in English. Sort of holy. And then I have that iced tea. It's mango. Yeah. But I have to be finished before 6 p.m. I hope I say it correctly. Otherwise I will stream have tomorrow again. Do they sponsor you? No. They don't sponsor me. But it would be nice. Holy, if you are watching me, please. Did it. Tech Teat, I'm not Dutch, but I'm German. Austrian, but I can speak German. So, and English. So, think we only have to add b, because b and the potent, wait, there is a, okay, when there is a space, then we need, but we haven't added. I go into the HTL. So, but I won't leak in which one, because, yeah, just for safety. Wait, yeah, okay. Huh? Bro? Okay, no. So, there is it 1. There is no potence for b, but there it is. Yeah, I know that you know me, you went to my old school, I think. If I think of the right person, but not in my class. Yeah. I don't realize what's going on now. We have A with our potence, then 2A. Then we should look if our potence A is 1. If it's 1, no, do it with just potence A. So, you saw me yesterday? Okay, I didn't see you. Yeah, but if potence A is bigger than 1, then we have to add the potence to A. So we do that character again, don't know how it's called, still don't know how it's called. Then we add our potence A, but the potence A gets lower over the time, so we have to subtract it. So potence A, pot A minus 1. Minus 1, it's 1. It's not bigger than 1, doesn't get added. But here 3, then it's 2, it should get added with its current number. And if we have a potence here, then we should make a space and 10 at B. So, do I have pets? Yes, I have 2 cats and 2 rabbits. Yeah. So, yeah, debug it again. You mean because it's, yeah, okay, I don't want to be racist, but I know what you mean, Matty. Yeah. So, debug. So, debug it with free. It is, yeah, we're here, but just skip everything. Yeah, A with the potence gets, you has very nice English. Doesn't it mean you have very nice English? But yeah, anyways, thank you. So, why u? Yeah, u element is 2. Okay, so you're here. Then it should add 2a. Then calculate minus 1. Then our potence A is, where is it? was 3. Why are you so sigma? Don't know, because I'm like I am. Yes. So it should add to A to our string, and then it's bigger than 1, so it goes into that if case, and then it should add the potence of A. Okay, works. And now we don't do anything because we haven't continued. So that is correct. Wait. I watched the face reveal and it. I have to drink. I watched the face reveal and it was very exciting. Yeah, thank you. And spoiler, there's a video coming up next week. No. In 2 weeks, on 31st of June. I am going to release a new video. Yeah. So that works too. Then that works. Norris has the pole position. Okay, I'm not a Norris fan. Wait, Formula 1 sent the message right now. Let me look. Because I'm a Formula 1 fan, I need to know where Verstappen is. No, that's just the message that Ollie Bierman has a grid penalty. Wait. Let me go to the Formula 1 app really quick. Continue. Wait. Where is Verstappen? It's only 5th? What the hell? That's very bad in Monaco because you can't overtake. Very good here. No, it's only 5th. But he will carry this. He has won the last race in, where was it? I didn't watch the race, but it was in Imola, Italy. Yeah, but let's continue to program. Is a lab record? Okay, nice for him, but not for me. Yeah. Yeah, that's added correctly, and now we have to add B. So it's bigger than 1? Bigger than 1. But if it's not bigger than 1, we have to add B, and if it's bigger than 1, we also have to add B. But now we have... Wait. Yeah, we have to add B and the potence of B. So, and we don't need an if statement, because we always have to add it, but we need an if statement to add the potence of B again to get that. So, yeah. We don't need an F string, we can add B. We have the space here, so we don't need a space at B. But wait. If it's not, then yeah, it's correct. So what do you mean with HTL? You mean my school, right? Yeah, but if you leak anything, I will time out you. So wait, let me look really quick. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, don't leak anything. Listen to my top supporter. So why is the live chat so big? Yeah, OBS. Yeah, doesn't matter now. Bro, no. You're banned now. Can I delete your message? No. Yeah, thank you, TikTok. Can't delete anything. Yeah. But you don't know what that leak means. But email is banned now, or timeouted. Show the browser. Yeah, TikTok Studio is such. Yeah. It's a piece of shit. You can answer someone, you can translate a message, you can pin a message, you can mute. Oh, wait. You can mute the account, and you can report it, you can ban someone. No, I mean, show what. Oh, yeah. The program. That is the program. We have to do that. So we have to make this Pascal's triangle and output it like that. It gets generated the right way with that. I've made that in school already, and now I have to output it, and yeah, that's a pain to output this. If you don't know what the Pascal's triangle is, this. And I hate math, but it is math. Yeah. I think this is with vectors. Yeah, I don't know what they are doing here. And I also don't understand that, but you don't need that. We only need that simple pyramid. Yeah. So, wait, Visual Studio. So at B, after B is added, we need to look if the potence is bigger than 1. So if our potence, you use Visual Studio Code 2? Yes. But if I'm developing games, I use Visual Studio 2022, but it's similar to Visual Studio Code. Yeah. But potence B is bigger than. Wait. Don't we have to subtract the potence again? 2, 10 is 1, 1 isn't displayed. Oh, I have an idea. You set it to. Wait. There's it here. But we don't need to set it like this. We set potence B. Accept him again. Yeah, but wait. I hope this works. Wait. Yeah, I've unlocked him again. So only my supporters or my the guys who dropped the donation can get a mod. So Matty, you should get a mod. Yeah, I don't know how. Wait. TikTok Live Studio. Wait. Where is it? Don't find it. Live goal. Wait. Let me make that. Oh, we can make live goals. Yeah, then start the live goal. Yeah, but yeah, I'm looking right now how to make you a mod. That's the question. Yeah, I will do it after the live stream if it works. But now I have to get finished before 6 p.m. So potence B. Wait. We wanted to. Oh, my idea was it to don't set it like this. Set it to 0 and calculate plus every time. But I don't think this will work. But I have to go to the toilet now. And yeah, I will be back in a few minutes. Hello, Varia HCR2. Hi. So, yeah, I will be back in a few minutes. But I have to go to the toilet. TikTok Live Studio, close it. See you in a few minutes. So, I'm back. What did I write during I was on the toilet? It's going on the toilet. Wait. Yeah. So, yeah, donate for the live goal. 7 viewers. Wait, I have to look something. We have 0 on YouTube, but there were 3 viewers on YouTube. That was the maximum. And now we have 0 viewers on Twitch, but we have 7 on TikTok. So, thank you guys. Yeah, but yeah, Seti, welcome back to Emanschi Games. So, if you wanted to say my intro, and I have an idea, because when Twitch or TikTok unlocks the soundboard, I can make like a sound with that, not developers, but the developer meme. Hope a game developer, but it means developer. Wait, what does TikTok want again? TikTok thinks I'm AFK. Hello, TikTok. Yeah, TikTok Live Studio is not the best software I've seen. Hello, Tasibu. Yeah. But now, make sure to... Wait, someone donated. Thank you, Glemsky, 124 for your team heart. Is it called team heart in English? Yeah, I think so. Thank you. And make sure to complete the live goal till 6 p.m. But then I have to go off. Yeah. Wait, we wanted to... When it's 2, that doesn't make any sense. But when you set it to 1 and calculate it, the B buttons every time we repeat this for loop. Wait, first to 1. Wait. And it's 1 here. Then it continues to... Wait. For loop. Yeah. The first one. Wait. There. When I set it to 0, the B, it would be here 0, but here it would be 1. It wouldn't be displaced. Yes. I understand it now. Wait. We have to set our B potence to 0. Yes, Mitty, you're right. Don't leak anything about me. So, zero, and we calculate +1 every time. I'm dump. Now it should work. +1 and potence B -1. So, if potence B is bigger than 1, if it's bigger than 1, B is already added. Wait, let's just copy that command to that I can imagine how it looks like. Now it would look like this. Is this your homework? Yes. Sadly. This is my homework, and I also have to do this, so I will have to stream tomorrow again. I don't understand, the file access, if it's called like this in English, because I have learned it on Friday, and now it's Saturday. Do you need a calculator? No, I don't think so. It's just math, and the computer calculates it, but you have to tell him what the computer should calculate. So you need to calculate with your brain, and then the computer calculates it, but you have to calculate it first. Yeah. Potence B, then we add the potence B to our string. To our F string. Then potence character, a character. Oh, it's called character. Yeah. So, but I don't know how it's called really. It's just the character for the potence, and then we add our potence B value, and then it should wait. Then this would look like when it's here. This would look like this. Should we add a space here? Yeah, no, we will. Yeah, and then if. Then we need an if statement. If we can just repeat all of that every time, and then we need to know if we are at the last thing, last element. This would be 1. Then we need to add b with the potence again. But how? Oh, I think I know how we know that they are at the last element. We yes, we calculate the length of our underlist, and the indexes start 0, 1, 2. Indexes start at 0. Then when we have our length, which is 3, and we calculate it -1, then yeah, I think I know how to do that. We need, oh, what did I do? Yeah, we need an if case. If the length, this is a function of our these are the elements of our I, because I is the whole list, is the same as no. If our length -1 is the same as our current index, under index. And now this should work. Hopefully. Achso. Oh. Yeah. We have to add b with its potence to the string again. So we need a space because we don't have a space here. Then we need a plus. And then what do we need now? Plus another space. And then b with the potence. That means b is always 1, so the multiplier isn't displayed at the right side. And then b, that potence character again, and then just at the potence. And now then after every element we need to print the line. Repeat count bigger than 2. Here we need to print. When do I get mod? You get mod after the live stream, because I will need a little time to find the function of TikTok where I can make you a mod. And the CPU, the same. Yeah, you also will get a mod if I find the function how to do it. So yeah, we have to print our string, and then we reset our string. Then it's reset for every line, and then we don't need the debug print. And then it should work. Let's try it without the debugger. Here they use 5. Okay, then we also use 5. A plus B. Wait. Yeah, that's the first one. That is correct. That is also correct. But why does it add AB2? Okay, then we need to look why this bug is the debugger, we will debug it, yeah, breakpoint here, and then debug with 5, bam. We have our values. First time these values get generated, first time we get into this if case, bam, and this is our string. But that was correct anyways. Anyway, so then it goes into the else statement, and it should add 2a, that also works. Then it should subtract potence a with 1. Yeah, potence a is then 1 again. Then potence b makes plus 1. So then this if oh, it's correct because it's not 1. And then we add b, that is also correct. Then we will skip that if statement because it's not bigger than 1. Oh, I think, wait. Then, okay, wait. Len I minus 1. What was our index? Is 1. Our length, index is 1. Our length is 3. Minus 1 would be 2. And it's not the same. But what you can do here, use, oh, I think I have a solution for that. If we just make another value with what we have, wait, we have repeat count here, then we need under repeat count for our under list, for the list in the list. Repeat, just call it rep, under rep count, under repeat count, first time is 0, then we make it plus 1 here, under repeat count plus equals 1, and then we can look if our length is the same as the repeat count, because 1, 2, 3, yeah, that should work. Under repeat count, it will be fun to explain my code to the teacher in 2 weeks, because next week we have some holidays, but yeah, I hope I remember everything. But now this should work. To use 5, then we also use 5. A plus, wait, A with potence 2, 2AB. But why does this get added? 1AB with potent when? Okay, we need to debug again. That means it wasn't, or wait, this repeats for every element. Maybe we should reset our string earlier and not here. But let's go through the debugger again. 5 breakpoint is here. Yeah. Oh, Walos. Then next step. Where is it? Under repeat count. It's a little bit messy. So here add. Please, it can't be that hard. Yes, it is. Or maybe it is because I'm dumb. But yeah, for me it's hard. I'm a beginner. Okay, 10. Or do you know the solution, Spider-Man? Then write it in the chat. But I only have one bug left. 10. Our repeat count gets one higher. Then we add 2a to our string, subtract, all of that works. And then we add b, that also works. Then we skip that. Then we didn't add anything. And because we didn't, and then it adds b wait. It adds b a second, but okay, then let's do a breakpoint here and let the program debug again. So under repeat count is 2. I want to know the length is 3. And our repeat. Yeah, I'm dumb. We need +1 or a -1 here. Yeah, let's do -1. Makes more sense for me. Run it normally. What happened? Now it adds b with the potence gets higher. Okay, I need. Huh? I don't understand. What the fuck? I don't want to use AI this time. I want to solve it without AI. And because of that it's difficult. But when we break here, everything is correct till here. Then it should go into that if statement. And then it should add +b. But why? Wait. It is yeah. Why do we even have them here? Can do that without them. No, 1. Please work now. With that, go into the if statement. But when it now it's got another solution could be if we set it to -1. Where was it again? It's not 0. Let's just try it. I don't know if it makes sense. Correctly, and oh hell no. What the fuck? Oh, someone on Twitch wrote, what are you working on? I'm working on that Pascal's triangle right now. Yeah. And I have a few bugs. Okay, I can just stream for 10 minutes. Okay, I have to speedrun now. Can just stream 10 minutes anymore. It didn't work with 1. Let's try it with 1 again. The potence should be 2 at this point. The string, yeah, it is 2, but it will also add it here 10. Wait. When you put that if statement at the beginning of all of that, no. Okay, let's just try it. Please work now, Python, please. Okay. Please, Python. Okay. Okay, it doesn't work at all when we do that. Then let's just place it at the end again and debug the whole loop. Maybe the bug is because something else. Then delete that breakpoint, make it here, and run it again. A plus B, okay, yeah. So we go in. Under repeat count should be 0. Now is it 1? It is 1. Then A gets added. That's correct. 10. We are in the second run, second repeat. We go through here. A gets added. -1, potence is 1. +1, potence is 2. And then it adds B. And then it adds the potence which it shouldn't add. So we have to set the potence B to 0 again. But when it's a 0, it also won't work. So, but let's look what happens now. 5, bam. So everything added correctly. Second repeat. It goes into here. It's a 2A. Yeah. And 10 -1. Potence A -1. It is 1. Potence B +1. It is 1. And we're in the second run right now. Yeah. In the second. Yeah. So it shouldn't add B there. But it adds B. Oh no, here it should add B. But then it shouldn't go into here. But it does. And that's it. Wait. HM, yes, I'm Austrian HM. But I will speak English because most of my viewers speak English or can speak English. Yeah. So I have 4 minutes left. Then I will have to end the live. Okay, I hope we get it till then. Skip. Bam. Added correctly. Next one, added to A. Potence B is 1. That's correct. B gets added, but without the potence because it's 1. So skip it. Then it skips that. Then it goes into the next run. It calculates mine. But why did it add? Oh. Okay. Then we need that if statement. Here. Without that. And only if you're not at the last. Repeat. And this works now. Run it normally. Oh hell no. It still doesn't work. But let's debug it again. I think I've never made a program in Python which took me 2 hours till now. Okay. Yeah, I have to go off in 2 minutes, but I have still 2 minutes. Yeah. So here with potence B, our element. Do we wait? Do we have to? Here we go in. We add A to A. Minus 1. Then potence B is 1. We add B. B is 1, so we skip that. And we skip that. Then next term. Do that. Our repeat count is 3. We skip that. Minus 1. Plus 1. It is 2. Potence A gets skipped. B gets added. And we do have to add plus B. But yeah. Guys, I will do that tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow evening. And yeah, I have to go off now. Thanks for all my supporters. Thanks to some viewers on Twitch, some viewers on YouTube. 1 viewer right now on YouTube. And 1 viewer right now on TikTok. Thank you. Thank you for donating me. And yeah. See you maybe tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. See you next. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.